Okay, so when I run PEX, I like to use the white, and I like to use it in the sticks. Okay, quarter turn, ratchet. Okay, and these sharp white clamps, PEX clamps. They don't necessarily have to be sharp white brand, but that's what we got. So these here, these rings have this edge on it, and use the same tool to do 1 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1/2 inch, and it goes in here, and you squeeze the handle down on it until it stops, and that is 1 inch, 3/4, and 1/2. So do the first one here. Put the ring on, put your fitting in, and okay, so here's the big thing. The gap in between this and that should be an 1/8 right here, should be an 1/8 to 1/4. Okay, so an 1/8, not a 16, because that's too much. So an 1/8 to 1/4, and with that I'll show on this side. So if we do a 1/16, see, it's biting here, but if you do an 1/8, it actually catches it on these two ribs, right? If you go any further than that, then your ring is only on partial of your fitting. So 1/8 inch, your tool on the edge here. Oop. Okay, so once you get a hold of it there, you squeeze your tool together, and it starts the ratcheting, and then your tool won't go anymore. That's the way it's designed, and it's together here, and then when you release your tool, automatically opens up for the next one. So that's what it looks like when it's crimped. Okay, there's what it looks like. All right, again, put your crimp ring, put your crimp ring on, and you just put it on there anywhere, just get out of the way. Get your fitting in. Okay, get your fitting in there, slide your ring up to an 1/8 to 1/4. Okay, make sure that your fitting's in there. Sometimes you may have to hold it with your hand, finger. Then once you hear your first ratchet, you can let go of your finger and squeeze with 2 hands if you need to. Alright. Now see, this looks so much better when you go to rough in a house, or I get it, they're behind walls and you can't really see it, but when someone else comes in, or the contractor comes in, or the homeowner comes in, you see everything plumb and square. It just looks so much better, so much neater. And if you take pride in your work, you can get a lot more other jobs out of that. Alright, so that's how I do it.